disc brake rotors should be regularly checked for wear to ensure safety and performance. And the DCA-1 from Park Tool makes that process easy by using special contact points that bypass the unworn edge of disc brakes to get an accurate measurement. In addition to measuring disc brake wear, the DCA-1 can also be used to measure center-to-center distances of bolt holes, allowing you to calculate things like bolt circle diameter, and to measure spoke hole diameters in the hub flanges when determining spoke length.
The DCA-1 digital caliper adapters from Park Tool install on most any digital, dial, or vernier caliper. To install the DCA-1, begin with one of the adapter fingers on the lower jaw. Open the caliper and place it on. Now gently bring it shut to keep it square and use the 1.5 millimeter hex key that comes with the kit. Gently snug is all you need. Next, open the jaw, place the second DCA in the upper jaw, close again, and now align the contact points with one another. Use the 1.5 millimeter, which is also standard AWS 10 size. When measuring bolt circle diameter or hub spoke flange diameter, use the small pointed ends at the end of the fingers and do not zero the calipers. It extends the line from the shut caliper jaws. So we are measuring hole to hole, and then we can refer to the bolt circle diameter reference chart at parktool.com. If you're measuring thickness, close the caliper to see the contact points have shut. Now zero the caliper, open, close, and take a measurement.
A great addition to any professional shop, the DCA-1 from Park Tool.